time we are watching Venom, and we just have to check in on the Sinemia app, and I'm gonna show you guys how I purchased the advance tickets on the Sinemia app right now. Okay, so go ahead and open up your Sinemia app, and then you're gonna go into planning and click on advance ticket, read it, and go to the next page, and then you have to choose which theater you want to purchase those advance tickets to. If you can't find it right away, like I couldn't find it, then you can go to the top and enter into the search bar the theater, and from there click on the theater, and you're able to choose different services to purchase your advance tickets. Make sure you choose the correct date and the correct time, as well as the correct format. If you choose the wrong format, your card might not go through, or you might get charged additional. And once you've selected all of that, select how many people, 1 or 2 depending on your plan, confirm, and then you can go ahead and continue to the next page. It lets you know that because you're getting an advance ticket, you are getting charged the convenience fees and processing fees, and just select yes. And then on the next page, it tells you that you're all set, you're able to purchase your tickets. I went ahead and used Atom, and basically that's another app where you can purchase advance tickets from. Select the movie that you want to purchase Sinemia tickets for. Make sure you select the right theater, the right date and the right time, and the right amount of people that you chose for your Sinemia plan. And then from there you can go ahead and do it as normal. You can select your seats, and after you select your seats, you can go ahead and click next and purchase the tickets. And then after you do that and you reach the theaters, you can go ahead and check in. You go back to the Sinemia app, select the movie, and from there you'll get a notification that says check-in successful. And that's all. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel,
the DNR Experience. Basically a lot of travel stuff.